If you're an iPhone user looking for a simple way to perform a reverse image search, keep watching. This guide will walk you through the steps of using Lenso.ai to perform reverse image searches on your iPhone. Let's begin the search. Visit Lenso.ai. Try out the examples available on the website, or upload an image from your photo library and explore all matches Lenso finds. You can also take a photo and start searching right away. Narrow your search. Edit the image. You can flip, crop, and mirror the photos. Explore available categories: people, places, duplicates, related or similar images. Check the sources of your images to find out where they appear online. Filter or sort your search. Besides that, there are additional options. Keyword search. Provide selected keywords to make a more precise search. Domain search. Search only on a specific website by providing its URL. Additionally, you can sort results by newest or oldest, best or worst match, and shuffle. Make the results more diverse. Visit Lenso.ai and start a reverse image search on your iPhone. Try Lenso.ai on your phone? The link is in the description. Subscribe to Lenso's channel for more useful tutorials.